Coming up, my engine decided to give up. It sounded fucking horrible. It was like... Hello everyone. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. At first, I just wanted to make a simple E30 drift video because the roads were pretty slippery on that day, and also the sun was out for the first time in like 2 weeks, and I thought it was a nice opportunity to make a fun video with my E30. As you can see, I was just playing around, trying to get some nice drifts. So here's some footage from that day. Unfortunately for you guys, I had my GoPro set to time-lapse mode instead of video, which means I lost the footage of the exact moment that my engine blew up, or whatever happened. However, I was recording the audio with my external mics, so at least I got that. Right there, I didn't know what happened. So yeah, my engine decided to quit on me. I don't know, probably exploded or something. I'm guessing, I don't know what I'm guessing. What does this sound like to you? Zero compression. So if it has no compression, that means it's I don't know, I don't care. We'll see. It sounded fucking horrible. It was like... I don't know, it looks kind of dry. Everything looks dry, so I didn't punch a hole in the engine, so that's good. Oh look, there's some trash flying there. It is what it is, huh? I never thought something like this will happen to me, but I guess it did. That's just the reality of owning a car like that, I guess. You know, it's not all fun and games. Obviously it sucks, right? But like I said, you can't do anything about it. We're gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna take you guys with me on a ride. What am I talking about? Like, sitting alone in my car that's obviously exploded. Pray for me. You can go to my Patreon and donate if you want, or like you can do the super thanks thing on YouTube. So It would kind of help me out a lot. Huh.
Huh?
So yeah, we are towing the car right now. I hope this Citroen makes it. Holy shit, it's smoking a lot. Yeah, let's go. Okay, E30 is finally in the garage, and yeah, there's that. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't, but we'll make it work. Right now, I just want to have a nice holiday break, and after that, I'm gonna open up the engine, and yeah, we'll see. See you guys in the next year.